Today we're gonna make roasted Caribbean red snapper with cannellini beans, collard greens, fried garlic, and preserved Meyer lemon. It's a dish that was inspired by some of my Italian cooking, and we wanted to give it a little bit of a southern flair, so we're gonna cut up some collard greens. This is preserved lemon that I made last year. It's actually Meyer lemon, and this is really gonna give a really nice lemon flavor to the beans that we're gonna cook without making it too acidic. We just really want to get our beans nice and soft, so we have them cooking there. We're going to lightly season that snapper. We're going to roast the snapper with a little canola oil. I really want to cook it a nice amount of time on the skin so that skin gets super crispy. And I really love to baste my fish in brown butter with some garlic and thyme, and that's going to not only help finish cooking the fish, but it's also going to make sure that skin's nice and crispy. And after we baste it and it gets all bubbly and delicious, we are going to put it on top of the collard greens and finish it with a little bit of our fried garlic.